Hello, this video is for parents who would like to check on their students' progress on their Gradpoint class. Now, if you remember, students need to complete one class per week in order to stay on track to graduate. If they want to catch up, meaning they've come to mentor program and they're behind on credits, your student will need to do more than one class per week. Okay, so oftentimes I'll have students that do 2 classes per week so they can get caught up on previous semesters of failed classes. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Gradpoint URL, which you see up here. The newest version is version 3. And you're going to write your student's name up here, their first name dot last name. So if your student's name is Jane Doe, you would type in jane.doe. And then the password is going to be her full date of birth, all 8 digits. So let's pretend Jane Doe's birthday is on January 1st of the year 2000. Her password would be 01012001. Okay, and we will log in. And this is Jane Doe's account. This is exactly what she sees because this is her account, okay? So if you want to see how well she is doing, what you can do, you can click on her class. Now, Jane only is assigned 1 class for now, and she needs to have this class done in a week or she's going to fall further behind, all right? So I'm going to click on Jane's class here, okay? And I'm going to scroll down and you can see the different elements of the class. Over here it says her progress bar. Now she has not done anything, well, much of anything in this class, so she's at 0%. Now parents, this is for you to see. You can click on her grades right here, this little bar graph looking thing. Okay, and over here you will be able to see if she did any assignments. You'd see a score right there and you'd see the date it was submitted. Okay, now you're going to see due dates over here. Ignore those due dates. Okay, she needs to have this class done in 1 week, not by the end of a quarter. Okay, the only reason why these due dates are here is well, I guess it's complicated, but long story short, ignore those. Okay, if you're like, oh man, she hasn't submitted anything yet, but she says she's been spending time on here. There is a way you can look and see how much time she's been spending on Gradpoint, which is you can click on the Activity tab up here on the top. So we have been on the Grades tab, now we're on the Activity tab. If we click over there, okay. And you can see that, well, she did log in for 11 minutes on Thursday, August 12th. And you can see what time she logged in and for how long she was on each page. So, yeah, you can see exactly how much time she spent and when. So that will also give you an idea of how she's doing in each class. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Mrs. Williams for further information. Okay.